Hi, this is Sharon Davis with homebaking.org and a quick take on baking with cocoa. Sometimes you're not sure if you can substitute one for the other in a recipe. You might want that deeper, richer flavor and color of the Dutch process, but the recipe calls for natural or baking cocoa. What's the difference? Really, it has to do with the leavening that you use. So, a natural baking cocoa is acidic naturally. The Dutch process neutralizes the cocoa. It deepens the color and flavor, but it won't react the same with soda, which reacts well with acids or the natural baking cocoa. You may then need to alter the recipe or look for a different one when you're using and switching to a Dutch process that uses baking powder. Sometimes a recipe will also call for apple cider vinegar or buttermilk, yogurt or sour cream, apples grated. These are all acidic ingredients and can also boost the Dutch process reaction if soda is used. So take a look at all the ingredients. Don't forget that yeast too can be used in chocolate, cakes, and it was done for years when our grandmothers were baking. Take a dive into the past on that one. Thank you for baking with us at homebaking.org.